Manipur ki Apunba ki Shaktam da condition Amattada compromise Touroi HAINA BJP North East ki in charge Dr. Sambit Patra na PHONGDORAKLI wafam se ANI na lauba akhanaba interview amada mahak na PHONGDORAKLI Mark na makata na hai India ki President na Manipur Legislative Assembly asi hauziki oina suspended animation da thamkrai masina takpadi President na matang matam chare khalakpada amukhana Manipur Legislative Assembly asi revive tawba yai BJP ki oina di Manipur da tangdu laita ba hanjelaknaba makata na leptana hotnari Manipur ki Apunba ki Shaktam asidi condition Amattada kaiba yaroi Manipur da logi wangmada changsilakliba sing asisu chapchana thengnana ba party asina ngasisu khongpham jetna lepli haina su mahakna makata na phongdokhi
Governor of Manipur, the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji, has put the Assembly of Manipur, the State Assembly of Manipur, under suspended animation, meaning that the Assembly of the state can be revived on a future date as and when the President of India deems fit depending on the circumstances in the state. As far as BJP is concerned, we are committed to the continuing efforts of peace in the state and most importantly to maintain the territorial integrity of Manipur. I repeat, there would be no compromise with the territorial integrity of Manipur. BJP also firmly stands for the fact that any kind of illegal infiltration into Manipur will not be allowed and will be dealt with severe hand.